Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of Idol Chipmunk pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Chubby Chipmunk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow a Garden game and I just got this Idol Chipmunk pet from opening the Nutty chest. If you want to get this pet, you need to earn the Nutty chest first, and then you will have 14.5% possibility to get this Idol Chipmunk. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the ability of this Idol Chipmunk, whether it's good or not. Okay, and this is the ability. Every 11 minutes, it can perform a song for 8 seconds, and all other pets in your garden restore 1.63% hunger per second. So basically, it can feed your pet, it can restore the hunger. And if you stack this Idol Chipmunk pet in your garden, I think you don't need to feed your pet anymore, because the hunger will be restored automatically with this pet. And I think, yeah, it's good, but it's not that OP. But yeah, it's worth to have in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the review of Idol Chipmunk pet in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!